Hey there, welcome to a new video. In this video we are going to talk about drum bass. Drum bass is a new addition in Ableton 10 and it's a really cool plugin. It's a sort of compression and distortion thing. So let's jump into it. We have this loop, this drum loop with this guitar loop. It's not a guitar loop, it's a piano loop, key loop. Okay, so I inserted the drum bass on the guitar so we can hear how it sounds, but we will start with the drum bass. So we have the drums here. This effect will help us get these drums really crispy. So we have the drive, and then we have the distortion types. So soft is a wave shaping distortion, medium is limiting distortion, and hard is clipping distortion with bass boost. So let's listen to how they sound. Let's put the drive at 50. Okay, then we have the trim. This reduces the input level. So these two values need to be set together. Then we have compression, which is just a switch and applies a fixed compressor before the input distortion. Just makes the sound thicker and punchier. Then we have the crunch. Let's come back to the soft, that we can listen to it without much pain. And adds extra distortion to the mid-high frequency. Then we have the damp, which it damps the overall signal after processing. It just makes the signal softer. It's like a really soft low-pass filter. Then we have the transient. This emphasizes or de-emphasizes transients of mid-high frequency. This is how it sounds. Then we have the boom that adjusts the amount of low frequency. We have like an 808 right now. Okay, and here we have the frequency. The low end is enhancing. Then we have the decay of this whole thing. And here we have the note that we are the nearest MIDI note that the frequency is pointing at. Here we have bass meter. And it displays the activity of the low frequency output. Then we have the output slider, fader. Here we have the boom audition. And here we have the dry wet, and this is it for the drum bass. It's a really simple compression distortion unit, and you can get really great results that before this you would have needed overdrive, saturation, and multiple things stacked together. This is a really nice addition. If you drive it really crazy, you can use the dry wet and add just some little flavor to your drums or any other sound, and you might use it for get that extra crispiness you might be looking for. And this is it for this video. See you in the next one.